In this tutorial, I will show you how to add music to game in Roblox Studio in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. Open up Roblox Studio and select the game in which you want to add music. Now from left side, click on Sound Service and then click on this plus icon. Now here, click on Sound. After this, scroll down the bottom properties. Here you will find Sound ID tab. In this tab, you have to enter the ID of the music you want to add to your game. For this, open up any of the browser and search for roblox.com and sign in to your account. Now from top series of options, click on create. Now from left side, click on store and in store section from top series of options, click on audio. Now here you will find music of all categories. Select the music or category as you want. I am gonna select chill and vibe category. Here you will find music related to your category. To preview the music, just go to the music name and then play icon will appear. Just click on it. After this, click on more info and then you will see this number of series in search bar. These numbers are sound ID. Just select these numbers and right click on it and then click on copy. After this, go back to Roblox Studio and click on empty tab just in front of sound ID and right click on it and click on paste. Then hit enter. Now you can preview the music by clicking on this play icon. After this, just scroll down and check load and play. Now from the top, click on play icon. Then you can play the game with this background music. So that's how you can add music to game in Roblox Studio in just few easy steps.